after you found your apple picking with family, you've got the perfect way to enjoy this crisp, juicy apple, and that's by making homemade apple juice. Stick around with me and I'll show you how to turn this into a refreshing juice. And trust me, after tasting this, you won't go for the store-bought ones again. If you're ready, we're going to get right into it. But before then, I have with me today my two beautiful daughters, and this is
Amanda
and
Annabelle.
So they'll be making this apple juice with me today. Let's get started. The first thing we'll be doing will be to chop the apples. But before then, these apples have been really washed. I've taken my time to wash them very well so they are very clean. That's the first thing you should do. You should wash your apples first before you start chopping. So let's start chopping the apples. We're not going to chop them so tiny because we are juicing them. So it's just to get the seeds out of it. Since we make it of a juicer. You don't need so many. So we are done chopping the apples with the help of my little guests today. The next thing to do would be to juice them. If you have a juicer, this is where it becomes interesting because all you need to do is just toss it into the juicer and you have your apple juice. But if you don't have a juicer, not to worry, you can also use a blender. All you have to do is put in a little water and blend. Then you can sieve it if you don't want all of the fiber in the juice, which is what everybody would like, right? So let's continue. We are done juicing the apples. Very pretty easy because we used a juicer. So this is particularly how we love it. We don't like putting anything, but if you want yours to be sweet or extra sweet, you can add honey or you can add cinnamon for extra flavor. And another thing you can add is a squeeze of lemon if you like it. You can also add a squeeze of lemon, but for us, we love it as natural as this is because we're going to just taste it now and they will tell you how it tastes. Put it in front of you.
Cheers.
Does it taste, Annabelle?
It tastes very refreshing. I like it because it's really fresh and it's really yummy. And if it was summer, then it would be really nice to have into summer with some ice like we have it here.
This is so good. Really, it's so good. This is pure juice and it's natural. You're not scared of preservatives. You're not scared of any form of things or chemicals or whatever you don't know about. So this is why I'd advise you to make yours at home.
And you can say that Amanda said so.
Yeah, you can say that Amanda said so. Make yours at home today. Your kids will like it. Don't be worried if your kids will like it. They will like it because it's really good. So before we leave today, Amanda, what would you like to say to your viewers?
If you liked what we did today, then please like and also subscribe and share it with your friends.
Annabelle,
Yeah?
what would you like to say to them?
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also put it in the comments and let us know if you'll be trying this at home today. So we'll come your way next time with another interesting video. Have yourself an amazing day. Bye.
Bye.